about 90. It'll take a while to get there, but scoot pretty good. Run an old bike.
Cool. Tell everybody one more time, please.
Starts real easy. It's a 1913 Thor, a 1000cc race bike, built in Aurora, Illinois. It was actually the only known Thor race bike in existence. We've seen pictures of 3 or 4 of them back then, but we know that they probably didn't build more than 10 of them total. Actually, there's a picture over here. Dale found this bike in pieces. The frame was mangled up, and all the rest of the parts were sitting there, and after a little bit of frame straightening and some motor work, thing went back together real well.
Thank you.
Absolutely, guys. We're trying to think what else we can fire up.